So in Food Biosystems, we have two types of studentships that come through from the UKRI, the Research Councils, to us. There can be standard studentships and also case studentships. So a standard studentship is where it is purely with our academic partners and the funding is directly from the Research Councils. Case studentships is when there is another external partner involved and quite integral into the project as well. So that might be an industry partner from a food manufacturing industry, or it could be another research organisation that's not a university, or perhaps a feed company or something like that, where they have a research idea that they've built up with the academic partners, and they might supply things as part of the project as well. They could be supplying materials or ingredients as part of the project, and then they have a say in the direction of the project. In a standard studentship, you could also have external partners as well, but they're slightly less integral to the design of the research and may not be supplying things like materials for the research. And I guess the other difference for the student is there's another, if they've got a case studentship, then they've got another supervisor, like their industrial supervisor involved as well. And it also makes a difference to their placements, because both types of students would take placement periods, but with a case studentship, you will be taking that placement period, which is usually around 3 months, with your case partner. Whereas if you are a standard student, you have a standard studentship, then that placement is called a PIP, and that placement can be with any partner that you can find or work with us within the office to help you find those placement periods. So they could be with industry again, or they could be with a government or non-government organisation, various types of placement period you can have if you were a standard studentship. So that's kind of the main difference. But in a day-to-day running of the project, obviously it's the same quality of research that you're doing, still having partnerships across 2 universities with both your lead partner and your co-partner across another university.